Console modding, understanding the basics. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting topic in the world of gaming and technology: console modding. If you're curious about what it means to mod a console and why people do it, you're in the right place. Let's explore this fascinating subject together. Console modding refers to the process of altering or adding new features to a video game console. This can be done for various reasons, such as enhancing the console's capabilities, playing games from different regions, or even running homebrew applications. It's a way for gamers and tech enthusiasts to push the boundaries of what their consoles can do. There are several ways to mod a console. The most common types include hardware mods. These involve physical changes to the console, like adding new components. Software mods. These are changes made to the console's software or operating system to add new functionalities or remove restrictions. Aesthetic mods. These mods are for personalizing the look of the console, such as custom skins or LED lights. People mod consoles for a variety of reasons. Some of the most popular reasons include enhancing performance, to improve the console's functionality or enable additional features. Playing imported or homebrew games, to run games that aren't officially released in their region or enjoy fan-made games. Personalization, to make their console unique in appearance and function. Modding a console can be a legal gray area. It's important to understand that. Warranty void. Modding a console will usually void its warranty. Legal risks. Some forms of modding, especially those that enable piracy, are illegal. Potential for damage. Improper modding can damage the console. If you're interested in console modding, start by researching. Learn about your specific console and the types of mods available. Understanding the risks. Be aware of the legal and warranty implications. Seeking community advice. Join forums or communities for tips and support. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the exciting world of console modding. Remember to mod responsibly and enjoy the creativity and innovation that comes with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.